So this is a wellness fair to mark World Mental Health Day, and we brought in student groups and clubs and orgs, as well as community resources to really welcome anybody who would like to participate. I think it's very important to highlight the resources that the Rochester community has available to us. Being a campus in the Rochester community, students and staff and faculty should be aware of all the resources Rochester has to offer.
And we're trying to take away the stigma that you can't speak up for mental health, because we're past that day and age. You can speak about it and everyone would love to hear about it. It's not a thing you have to hide away anymore. We're not in that time of age. So this is just to really encourage students, to give them activities and give them more information about what's happening on Mental Health Day, to really educate people on this new generation we're in. So for athletes, primarily, there's a lot of stigma that sometimes students will put their sport above their mental health. But at the end of the day, even if you're not in a sport or you're in a sport, it is human before anything else. And Athlete to Athlete gives a lot of information on why and how you can do that and help around with things like that. And that's why I love to join.
I wasn't a firm believer in my mental health, or let alone, like you said, I prioritize my sport and academics above my mental health. But just looking at it now, grasping it, understanding what it is, it's helping me become a better person, I believe, and I can understand how my mental health will affect me in the future.
We just want to let all students on campus know that it's okay to talk about mental health. We have a safe atmosphere, and especially with Psych Club, we like to promote mental health and well-being by just having fun events to bring students together and all make friends. Psych Club has partnered with NAMI, who's also here today. That's the National Association for Mental Illness. We do a walk with them every year and fundraise for them. It's a great program that does outreach in the community and provides services to students here on campus when needed. So we're glad to have them here today.
In our Health and Wellness Center, we provide both medical and counseling care. Currently, we really work through appointments, but students can reach out to us a number of ways. They can walk in, they can call, and they can also utilize their patient portal to request both medical and counseling appointments through that mechanism. I think we should definitely remember we still are a JED campus, and we really promote mental health very well on this campus. Everybody here helps with the support of mental health, and we absolutely at Health and Wellness, our resource, can be a resource to anyone on the campus.